So how do I get started with Civitas Turf Defense? As always, refer to the label for details, but here are some pointers. Treat turf before it is subjected to drought or traffic stress. Civitas Turf Defense works as a preventative, not a curative product. Always ensure that you apply to healthy, actively growing turf. Rates and intervals. To combat drought, begin the Civitas Turf Defense program about 2 to 4 weeks prior to the anticipated drought conditions. Apply Civitas Turf Defense at 8.5 ounces per 1,000 square feet. Application interval is based on 2 factors: growth rate of the turf and mowing height. When turf is growing rapidly, more frequent application intervals are required. On greens height turf, application should not exceed 14-day intervals for optimum results. On tees and fairways, extended intervals are common, but not to exceed 21 to 28 days. You may consider increasing the application rate to 17 ounces per 1,000 square feet when going at an extended interval like 28 days.